Greetings from LV Prasad Eye Institute. I am Dr. Prashant Garg, and in today's lecture, I'll be sharing with you challenges and solutions of problem-based learning. I do not have any financial disclosures related to this talk. The objectives of my talk are to describe challenges of problem-based learning and provide tips for solving these challenges. Before we begin this talk, let us reflect upon few of the questions. How common is problem-based learning in your setting? Have you ever used it in your teaching sessions? What challenges you have faced while using problem-based learning? Remember, like any pedagogy, there are snags, mishaps, challenges, and disappointment with problem-based learning as well. The first challenge with problem-based learning is around mindset of faculty members. Teachers might find transitioning from their role as content providers to problem-based learning difficult. This is primarily because teachers need to spend time for supervision and advice to individuals and groups during problem-based learning. The solution for this problem is creating sessions for education of educators, taking them through problem-based learning, encourage them for self-reflection, and make them part of your own sessions of problem-based learning. And do not give up. The second challenge is around the mindset of students. The students may not be prepared to take up the responsibility of learning that involves sourcing information independently and collectively. This is primarily because most students have the background of years of conventional learning, where teachers provide mostly the content. To solve this problem, create a strategic goal throughout the Institute for Problem-Based Learning, talk about its benefits, and innovative implementation. Change the assessment system, but remember to be sympathetic and patient with the students. The third challenge is around apathy of students. Students might come up telling you that they do not have any interest in projects. In self-directed problem-based learning, students design projects around their own interest. To solve this problem of apathy, sit down and talk to students. Learn about them, build relationship, and help them figure out the struggle, set personal goals, also identify their interest and skills for potential projects. The fourth challenge is around low productivity. Students might choose not to do anything. In self-directed PBL, you are giving students choice and freedom. To solve this problem of low productivity, remember, they might be unproductive because they are new to problem-based learning and do not know what to do. Work with the students one-on-one. Provide them with appropriate templates. Implement consistent checkpoints and provide timely and constructive feedback. The fifth challenge is around poor quality of projects. Students might produce a project that are well below their capabilities. To solve this problem and keep and encourage students for high quality projects, cultivate culture of quality work from the start. Set high expectations, provide consistent feedback, encourage innovative final product. Also, include interspersed self-reflection sessions and authentic presentation events where each project is evaluated by peers and provided with constructive feedback. The sixth challenge is burning bridges. Students might wrongly perceive the facilitator's role, or students might question the credibility of peer group members. PBL is a team activity. Communication and trust among team members play a crucial role. To solve this problem of burning bridges, create strategic systems that foster relationship among peers and between learner and educator. Promote peer tutoring and peer assessment. Encourage greater involvement of educator as a guide and not just content expert. To summarize, problem-based learning promotes self-learning and help build peer relationship. Transitioning from conventional learning to problem-based learning is challenging both for tutors and learners. Awareness of challenges and innovating solutions will ensure success. Problem-based learning is a journey toward becoming a lifelong learner. Thank you very much for your kind attention.